Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to build a second brain in Notion. Alright, how do we build a second brain? Well, when you do build your second brain in Notion, you get to unlock your digital mind, and this will unlock ultimate productivity. What is a second brain and why with Notion? So a second brain, in a nutshell, is a trusted digital system that captures, organizes, and retrieves your knowledge, freeing your mind from information overload and decision fatigue. Trust me, once you write it down, it exits your brain. It's a mental block. Also, based on Tiago Forte's revolutionary power method, projects, areas, resources, and archives, organizing everything for easy access and immediate action is great. Also, Notion's flexible databases, powerful AI tools, and seamless cross-device sync really makes it great for building and continuously growing your second brain ecosystem. So ultimately, in a nutshell, you can capture literally everything. This means that you never lose an idea again with your instant capture tools within Notion. Also, the Power method keeps everything findable in seconds, and then you can transform scattered information into actionable insights. And let me tell you something, that last step, that last part, taking scattered information and putting it into little spaces where you can actually take action on them. It's amazing. It's a game changer. So how do you actually start your second brain in Notion? Well, first of all, you need to set up your Power structure. This means you need to create top level pages or databases for your projects, areas, resources, and archives. And then this is then your foundation for your organized thinking. You then need to build a mobile friendly inbox to jot down ideas anytime, anywhere. So capture first, organize later for a stress-free collection. You know, when you have an idea pop up in your head, snap, write it down wherever you are, forget about it. Then you need to connect tasks, notes, and projects using Notion's relational databases for powerful context and seamless progress tracking. And then the last thing is you need to design a central hub to prioritize, reflect, and plan your week with their AI-powered summaries and also their actionable insights. Go ahead, check it out, find your space in Notion, and start building